So where can we see this? Well, for this you have to go to the plot that he has generated. You asked him to make the residual plot, remember? So let's take a look. So here we are. So basically here you see all the residuals. So we're doing regression here, so the residuals are the differences between the data and the line that was fit. What do you want to see here on this plot? You want to see a random distribution of the residuals. So you don't want to see here any patterns in this plot, and you want to see, well, almost the same number of points above than below the line here at 0. So this clearly is the case, I think. You have more or less the same number above and below the line, and I don't see any patterns here in the residuals. So this looks good. What do you not want to see here? So basically what you look at here, it has to be random, more or less. So the same number above this line here, this dotted line, the same number of residuals above and below, more or less. What you also don't want to see is that the scatter goes up or down when you move over the x-axis. So if you have almost no scatter here and it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, that would also be bad. But you don't see that. Scatter here and here is the same. Yeah. And what you also don't want to see is large groups that are all the same, that are behaving the same. But also this is not really the case here. So it's quite random. And that's why the residual plot is looking good. So it's not the same as a QQ plot. It's a residual plot, and what you want to see here is random behavior. That's the important thing.